If you are a student of English literature and you are preparing Adam Bede, a novel written by George Eliot, for exams, then you must know the key points of the novel. The first key point of Adam Bede is realism. George Eliot has used personal experiences of her life. For example, Warwickshire and Derbyshire are the places of Midland of England. She has also used her memory, and she has also used some characters. For example, Adam Bede is a pen portrait of her father's early life, and Dina Morris is a pen portrait of her aunt. Next key point is the language of the novel. She has used lifelike English countryside manners of speech and social system. Next key point is philosophy, which she has used in this novel, is the philosophy of interdependence of all human beings on each other and the presence of evil and good in this universe and the triumph of temptation and vivid picture of moral defeat of evil. All these things are included as a philosophy in this novel. A special technique George Eliot has used in this novel is psychological realism. It's mean that she has used inner struggle of soul. Every character is struggling with inner soul and outer forces of environment. Next key point is art of characterization. George Eliot's characters are complex character. It's mean they are not static, they are not flat. A complex character always goes through a process of evolution from start to end. In the beginning, every complex character is immature and quite different, and at the end, after so many struggle, he becomes a transformed. He becomes a successful or ruined character. So the art of character is George Eliot is evolutionary, and his characters are very interesting. His story is quite simple and everyday life story, but his art of characterization is very much interesting. Every reader finds it worthwhile to read and become intimate with the personality of characters, because she presents a vivid pen portrait of every character. Every complex character passes through a journey of maturity. This journey starts from inner struggle of soul with motive, impulses, desires, obstacles, and society. If a person follows the rules of morality, becomes a successful one, and if it does not follow the rules of morality, becomes a ruined person at the end and finds a tragic end, like Hattie, the heroine of the novel. To prepare notes for your study. First of all, you have to comprehend the whole story in your own words. You have to write down in your own words, and then you have to understand the key points of Adam Bede's novel. After that, you will be able to answer every question of exam.